back. I don't know where this is going to fit in with the rest of the videos, but I'm having a little walk around, little update, just to see where we're at. We are prepping the panels ready for paint. We've got to try and get it painted this week. It's the only slot I've got. And then we can fit it up, polish it up in between other jobs. But I'm guide coating the shell. Prepping the rest of the panels. Just got the wings to prep. One of the doors done. I've got to seal the back of the doors. I've got to seal the lip under the sills each side. I've got to seal them today. This has all got to be ready today. These are getting painted. Bonnet, boot, and another little bit in the booth. What else? This has all got to be prepped. Sealed today. Got a stone chip along the bottom tomorrow. Got to fit the wings on to put the stone chip on after they're prepped. And yeah, it's Tuesday now, and we'll paint it over the next 3 days. Bank holiday weekend off, let it dry nice and hard, fit it up and polished. It's going to look nice. look at that ginger beard. Arr. Right, the colour, nice colour. Doesn't cover as well as I was hoping. Probably needed a couple of shades darker undercoat, but I went a little bit heavier with the solvent than I wanted. So I whacked the temperature up, give it sort of 15-20 minutes between coats. It had 2 coats, 2 full coats, a half coat, and then a drop coat, just to try and get it to look even. It looks alright in the booth. I'm guessing if it looks alright in here, it'll look alright outside. We'll have a look tomorrow. Spin around. It's gonna look sweet when it's all back together. The fucker using that wet on wet, but I wanted everything to have the same ground coat under it. When you're painting the panels all separately, it's nice to know that everything's going to match up when it all goes back together. There's the boot. No runs out of the holes yet. That's it, that's them till... What day are we on? We're on Tuesday. We're going to do the doors and the wings tomorrow. We've got to get them sealed up, get the doors sealed up in a minute. I'll do a little video of that. I'll show Alan how to do one, and then he can do one so he knows for future. Yeah, I've got to seal doors, seal the seals up, and a little bit of sealer along the beading, because it just looks crap both sides. You've got a little bit of glue, a little gap, so a little bit of sealer along there, let that dry. Paint the other loose panels tomorrow, paint the shell Wednesday. No, what day are we on? Oh fucking hell, I don't know. It's all going to be painted by Thursday, because I'm off Friday, off Saturday, off Sunday. Yeah, that's right, long weekend. Final system's clear on it, extra fast hardener. It's going to polish up like a beauty. Smear it one way and then the other way to get all the air out. Is it far? You do it.
Lick your finger or you just fucking ram your finger in it?
I'll wait till it dry, man.
Got any dry have you? Don't film me fucking bodging
Yeah,
this.
go on.
That's really off-putting.
You got to take the tape off before it dries. Otherwise you'll be in a world of pain.